This is Polk County real estate. This is how we do it in Polk County.
You got to be kidding me. He really is a big alligator.
Yeah. My why is to leave the greatest impact possible in this world before I'm not here anymore. Through the one thing that I know extremely well, which is real estate investing in business. This is Polk County real estate. This is how we do it in Polk County. Trailers over here. Like, you can't make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up. So Alex, our camera guy, is going to be filming because if anything happens, I need video proof if anything happens. So this is yeah, Lakeland real estate, man. All right, let's get out here and let's keep the doors open. This is Alex. This is actually my son as well.
Hi.
So tell me a little bit what needs to be. I see that the roof got changed out not that long ago.
Brand new roof.
Okay, so it's got a new roof. And
The windows are good. I think we're gonna change out the kitchen in there.
alright, so we got the house over there, some of the windows. And then is this wood frame or concrete block?
It's wood.
Wood. Okay.
All the wood is good though. It's really good.
Okay. Does it have a garage or no?
No.
No garage. Where's technically the front of the house? Oh, there's a front over there. Okay. What's over here in the behind it?
That's the spot I was telling you about. All that's gonna go.
Okay, so over here.
Don't look at the dog.
AC unit. Does it have AC unit?
No, it doesn't have any.
No AC unit.
This is an older house, so
So no AC.
no AC except for what's in my window, and I'm gonna probably take that with me.
Got it. Okay.
If y'all keep your hands down to your side and don't make any aggressive moves.
That sounds great. So just FYI, we're going in a danger zone.
Go! In! Go! In! Go! Hands down.
Big move.
This is Rambo's room.
Okay. Rainbow's in there?
Yeah.
All right, there's a live alligator in here. You got to be kidding me. He really is a big alligator.
Yeah.
He got big.
He does all this stuff.
This is insane. I've never seen an alligator in a house before. That is insane. You gotta be kidding me. How much does he weigh?
150 pounds.
Wow. How long have you had him for?
He turned 17 this year.
Wow. Alex, you want to take a picture on this one?
He rides motorcycles. He does all
What?
kinds of stuff.
Are you serious? This is all him? Can you get this?
Yeah. No, that one's Limpy. That one's Oscar. That's Alyssa.
Oh my
I've had
God.
more than one.
Wow.
I train alligators.
That's amazing.
Now this area used to be a bedroom here and a bedroom there. And here's our bathroom.
Okay.
And up there is a picture of me wrestling. In the top white picture. I was a pro wrestler for 40 years.
Shut up. That's awesome. That's so cool. All right, well, let's have a seat. Let's talk about the property a little bit.
Okay.
Very interesting. I've never been in a house in 18 years with a damn alligator in it. So look, I knew this wasn't going to be a deal, but at the end of the day, you never know who knows somebody, including it was a very interesting story. And I just had to see this place for myself. So sometimes you'll see that. You can polish up your skills. Again, just be honest with people and then move on. But yeah, I hate to see what's in store at the next house.